Understanding Kenneth Arrow, a pioneer of economic theory. Kenneth Arrow, 1921–2017, stands as one of the most influential figures in economic theory, whose work transcends the traditional boundaries of economics and ventures into the realms of social choice, welfare, and political philosophy. His contributions earned him the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics in 1972, shared with fellow economist John Hicks, recognizing his profound impact on general equilibrium analysis and welfare economics. Early life and education. Born in New York City in 1921 to a Jewish family, Arrow's intellectual journey began at the City College of New York. He demonstrated exceptional academic prowess, earning a Ph.D. from Columbia University in 1951. His dissertation laid the groundwork for what would become known as Arrow's general impossibility theorem, a landmark result in social choice theory. Major contributions to economic theory. General equilibrium and welfare economics. Arrow's 1951 paper introduced the concept of general equilibrium to economics, which examines the interplay between different markets and how they achieve balance under varying conditions. His work emphasized the importance of considering multiple markets together rather than in isolation, thereby expanding the understanding of how economies function in a more holistic manner. Arrow's impossibility theorem. Arrow's impossibility theorem is one of his most renowned contributions. It illustrates the difficulties of devising a fair electoral system when faced with more than two options. Arrow identified several criteria that any voting system should ideally meet. 1. Non-dictatorship. No single voter should hold all the power in deciding outcomes. 2. Individual sovereignty. Voters should be able to express their true preferences without coercion. 3. Unanimity. If every voter prefers one option over another, the group preference should reflect this. 4. Independence from irrelevant alternatives. The choice between two options should not be influenced by the presence or absence of a third option. 5. Uniqueness of group rank. The group ranking should be consistent regardless of how preferences are expressed. These principles highlight the inherent challenges and limitations in creating a fair voting system, influencing not only economics but also political science and philosophy. Other contributions. Arrow's research interests spanned various issues including social choice theory, endogenous growth theory, and the economics of information. His exploration of endogenous growth highlighted how knowledge and innovation contributed to economic progress, emphasizing that learning and internal company policies can drive growth. The concept of learning by doing was another significant notion he introduced, positing that the more experience a company accumulates, the more efficient and effective it becomes. Arrow also addressed issues of racial discrimination and its economic implications, underlining the way systemic biases affect opportunities and outcomes within society. His work laid the groundwork for future economists to explore the intersections of equity, justice, and economic theory. Legacy and impact. Kenneth Arrow's contributions have profoundly shaped modern economic thought. His theoretical insights prompted subsequent economists to delve deeper into concepts like market imperfections and externalities, which emphasize that real-world conditions often deviate from idealized models. Arrow was among the first to recognize that competitive markets operate under specific, often unrealistic assumptions that could lead to significant deviations from desired social outcomes. By linking abstract mathematical theories to real-world scenarios, Arrow enriched the toolkit of economists and expanded their ability to analyze economic phenomena. His ideas have informed a diverse array of fields, influencing not only economics but also law, political science, and philosophy. Kenneth Arrow passed away on February 21, 2017, leaving behind a legacy that continues to influence scholars and policymakers alike. His work is remembered not just for its theoretical richness but also for its relevance in addressing contemporary economic challenges such as inequality, growth, and the interplay between individual choice and collective outcomes. Arrow's vision of an interconnected economic landscape continues to inspire future generations, solidifying his place as a giant in the field of economics.